So after reaching UK, you need to collect the BRP card within 10 days. A biometric residence permit BRP can be used to confirm your identity. So getting your BRP if you are applied from outside the UK. Coronavirus and collecting your BRP. Collecting a child's BRP. Leaving and re-entering the UK before getting a BRP. Collecting your BRP card from different branch office. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. In the last video, you have seen the visa decision timings and also about the priority and super priority visa updates. So in this video, we will see the BRP card details. What is BRP card and how to collect it and where to collect it and other details as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. So let's get started. Go to www.gov.uk and search for BRP card. So in this, you can see Biometric Residence Permit, that is BRP. So we'll see what is BRP first. A biometric residence permit BRP can be used to confirm your identity, right to study, and right to any public services or benefits you are entitled to. So this is a card which is for your identity. If you want to study, it is your identity for to study. If you are going for any other visa, it is your identity that you are living in UK. You cannot use BRP to confirm your right to work or rent. You will need to prove your right to work online or prove your right to rent online instead. This is not for work or rent. So this is for your identity only. You will usually get a BRP if you apply to come to UK for longer than 6 months, or extend your visa to longer than 6 months, or apply to settle in the UK, or transfer your visa to a new passport, or apply for certain home office travel documents. So the BRP card is issued to the people who are staying longer than 6 months only. Okay. So once you receive your visa, in the passport there will be a sticker which is called vignetta. For the student visa, it is valid for 3 months. So apart from the passport and the vignetta, you will also have one document wherein you will get the details of starting and ending date of your visa. Apart from that, you will have also the BRP card details. So while you applied for your visa, you might have applied the postal code, right? So you will get the post office address from where you need to collect the BRP card. I have shown you on previous video, I got my visa in 3 weeks. In that they have given the post office address from where we need to collect the BRP card after going to UK. So next we will see what is on your BRP. Your BRP will include your name, date of birth and place of birth, your fingerprints and a photo of your face. This is your biometric information. So when you apply for your visa, you might have given your biometrics, right? So those information will be stored in the BRP card. Your immigration status and any conditions of your stay. Suppose if you are going as a student, we are entitled to work for only 20 hours. So in the BRP card, they will give the details, how many hours we can work and other visa details. Whether you can access to public funds, for example, benefits of health services. You may have a national insurance number printed on the back of your BRP. It depends on factors like the date it was issued and your visa status. We will make another video on NI number. Currently we will focus on BRP card. So let us see how to get the BRP card after going to UK. So getting your BRP if you are applied from outside the UK. If you applied for your immigration status, for example your visa from outside the UK, you will need to collect your BRP once you are in the UK. You must usually do this before the vignetta sticker in your travel document expires or within 10 days of arriving in the UK, whichever is later. As I said, in the passport, there will be one vignetta sticker which is valid for 3 months if you are a student, and the duration differs based on your visa type. Apart from the vignetta in the passport, there will be one document in which you will get the start and end date of your visa timings, and you also have the BRP collection center which is post office. So after going to UK, you need to collect that BRP card within 10 days only. Check your decision letter. It will tell you to collect your BRP from either a named post office branch or your sponsor if you choose this option when you applied. So while applying for your visa, there will be an option to give the post office address. So whatever the post office address you give, you need to go and collect from that center. Okay. You must be over 18 to collect a BRP card. So you must be over 18 years old to collect your BRP card. Coronavirus and collecting your BRP. Do not collect your BRP if you are self-isolating because of COVID-19. The post office will keep your BRP for 60 days. Collect it and finish your self-isolation. So unfortunately, if you have any COVID symptoms and you have self-isolated yourself, please don't go and collect your BRP card immediately. After coming out of isolation, you can go and collect your BRP card. If your post office branch is closed because of coronavirus, your BRP will be stored safely until it reopens. Contact your post office branch for more information. So even if it is closed, they will store it for you, and please contact the post office for more information. What you will need: bring your passport or travel document with your vignette sticker when you collect your BRP card. So when you are going to the post office to collect your BRP card, you need to carry the passport along with us with the vignette sticker on it, or you can take the travel documents as well. You will get your vignette sticker when your visa application is approved. So as I said, you will get the vignette sticker on the passport itself. Collecting a child's BRP. Apart from student visa, many people are going on dependent visa, and even children are going along with them. So for them, you must be nominated to collect a child's BRP even if you are the child's parent. The Home Office will tell you within 5 working days if you are approved to collect the BRP. You do not need to be nominated if you are collecting your own BRP and you are named on your child's vignette sticker. For collecting the child's BRP card, even though if you are parent, still you need to be nominated, and the decision will take around 5 working days. But if you are collecting your BRP card along with your child BRP card, and if your name is on your child's BRP card, and then no need to nominate your name. Okay. Collecting your BRP card from different branch office. You can also choose to pick up your BRP from different post office branch. You will need to arrange this at the post office branch you want to use and pay a fee. The Home Office cannot change the post office branch for you. So if you want to collect the BRP card from different post office, you need to go there, you need to pay some fees. Then you will get your BRP card there. Leaving and re-entering the UK before getting a BRP. If you need to leave and re-enter the UK before getting a BRP, apply for a replacement BRP visa. You can also apply on behalf of a child. A replacement BRP visa will let you re-enter the UK only once. It costs you around £154. So you need to apply separately if you are re-entering the UK before applying for your BRP card. Nominate someone else to collect your BRP. You can nominate someone else to collect your BRP if you have a serious illness or disability that prevents you from collecting it. You cannot nominate someone else to collect your BRP card. Suppose someone has any disability, or the elders who are unable to collect their BRP card, they need to show the proper evidence that they are unable to collect. So you can nominate some other person to collect the BRP card on behalf of us. So the person you nominate must have one of the following: a passport or an AU national identity card or a BRP card. So the person you are nominating, they should have a passport and they should have a BRP card also. So even for this, you will get the decision in 5 working days. So you can nominate from here if you want to nominate someone. Finally, report a problem with collecting your BRP. Tell the Home Office if you cannot collect your BRP for any reason. For example, you went to collect it from the post office and it was not there. You have lost your passport or travel document, or cannot prove your identity. You do not know which post office to go to because you have lost your decision letter. So if you are falling under any of these, you need to report immediately to the Home Office. They will let you know how to collect your BRP card. So that's it about the BRP card. I hope you understand. So after reaching the UK, you need to collect the BRP card within 10 days. The post office address will be mentioned in your document which came along with your visa. So you need to go there and collect your BRP card. I will make another video once I reach UK and collect my BRP card. Till then, stay tuned and please watch my other videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Please share my videos and channel to other people who are coming to UK. And also please comment if you have any queries. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much.